Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. Children, today we shall know the uses of two prepositions in spite of and despite. In spite of is a phrase in English, and despite is a word. We can consider them as terms. Both the terms actually don't have any differences in their use. Children, we can use them identically, we can use them interchangeably. Both these terms mean even though or regardless of. We can use them in the beginning or at the start of the sentences. We can use them in the middle of the sentences. Sometimes we put these terms one or the other in independent clause to bring proper expressions in our speech and writing. Let's see some examples. In spite of her illness, she looks cheerful. Despite her illness, she looks cheerful. Again, in spite of his illness, he fared well in the examination. Despite his illness, he fared well in the examinations. Please notice that despite this word does not take off while using, when we use them. So let us use them in proper place to bring correct expression in our speech and writing. Today, this much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.